So, welcome to another Injee vlog, and I'm happy to announce that we have released authentication for Injee. So, like you can do some mock authentication as though the user is there, and that is like mock login, and then you can use the token to get whichever resource is being logged in, and so like it will look your app will front end app will look like okay, it's doing this sign in or sign up or authentication or whatever it is, right? So that's the thing. So in this blog I'm going to tell how it works. So let me just go to a folder where I store all my Injee jar files. Okay, so right, so I just store all these Injee jars, and actually like this Injee 0.12.0 does it. Okay, so but yeah, to run it, okay, there is also a Dockerized version of Injee, and we haven't updated to 0.12.0, but yeah, we'll update it in 1 or 2 days, right? So that's the thing. So, but yeah, like let me just run Injee, right? So, like, okay, yeah, so this command will run Injee, right? So let's wait for it to run, right? And now, yeah, let me just, what to say, keep it which side, right or left? Okay, let me just keep it left side, and right side let me just put this documentation, right? So that like I can just refer it and what to say execute it in the left side. So that's the thing. And okay, so now what we can do is like we can load some sample data. So this command, okay, so load some sample data, right? So I'll just copy this. Okay, from where it loads the sample data. Okay, yeah, like if I can go to this URL over here, right? So this is the sample data. I've just stored it in Codebug. It can be loaded from the internet or from the local file or something like that, right? So that's the thing. So what I can just do is, yeah, I just hit enter and it just says, okay, it got loaded. So I can maybe like try to see what is there, like, okay, and let me look into table users, right? So what it actually does is, okay, like this does the following, right? So this loads it from this file given by this from this URL, and it loads it into table users, right? So that's the thing. And if you see the documentation, yeah, like you can see like, okay, yeah, these are the stuff that's been loaded, but of course the ID will change because it's over here we are not giving the ID. And Injee will put its own ID, and even if you give ID, Injee will put its own ID, I think. Yeah, so that's the thing, right? So, and now what I can just do is I can, okay, like I just know, okay, let's say, okay, this guy has email this one and password as password123. So I just want to log in as this guy. So let me just copy this curl command and paste it over here, right? Right. So now you just get a token. So okay, so this is like curl post and user login and users login. It could be any table, like auth users we are just giving, but if you are working on an admin table, it could be admin, managers, employee, or whatever it is, right? So, and you'll get this long token. Let me just copy this token, right? So it's a big one, right? So yeah, let me just copy this token. Okay, so I don't know where to put it. Okay, so text editor, right? Okay, so let me just put it over here, right? So and let me just copy this curl command over here, and yeah, and there is a bug in this, right? So I need to update the documentation, but mostly when this video has been updated, this documentation will also be updated, I think. Okay, so I've put over here like, okay, curl get, okay, like localhost auth users. So I want to get it from the table users using this token, and I want to know the current user and authorization and token and this token. Here you should have this, this should be this double quote should end over here, right? So that's the thing, right? So that I didn't do. But yeah, hopefully I've corrected it. So, right. So, okay. So this is there. So I'll just take it and put it over here. Right. So So now I've got this curl command to hit this endpoint. So now let me see as what resource I have logged it, right? So now if you just see, okay, the first name is John, last name is Doe, email is this one, password is this one. Look, in Injee we are not restricting the passwords and all those stuff, okay, because Injee is not supposed to be a real application database. It's just for proof of concepts, right? So if you want to get a current user, just use the token and just get the current user and just don't display the password, right, in the front end. So that's the thing, right? And that's how it is. Yeah, and I'll just correct this error, like this double quotes is missing after this token. So I'll just correct this. So that's it about the authentication in Injee. And yeah, if we see, yeah, we are making some progress in Injee. Like, so I need to remove this, what to say, like upcoming flags from this thing, loading data. Of course, for this demo, you did load data. And I also need to remove this upcoming flag from this user auth, right? So I don't know which feature I'll do next. Like, I'm the sole developer of Injee, and yeah, of course, my name is Karthikeyan. I'm creator of Injee, and yeah, and I don't know which feature I'll do next. So like, I can't put like, okay, doing this, doing that, and all those stuff. So that's the thing, right? So I don't know which I'll do next, but I'll do something, right? So that like one of these features, what to say, like will be available maybe sooner than later, right? So anyway, thanks for watching. Until we meet in next vlog, bye.